If you are figuring out the scalable way to vibe code almost anything, here's my playbook, which I used to scale to more than 20,000 users and over $30,000 revenue. I know this was originally a Reddit post, but with people's demand, I am making this video to explain it further. Most people overcomplicate building products. They spend weeks just planning, coding from scratch, and never actually ship. But what if I told you there's a scalable way to vibe code almost anything? That's exactly how I scaled my project and was able to scale it. Everything starts with an idea, but instead of waiting for inspiration to strike, I use OpenAI agents to generate problem statements. Here's the simple prompt. Now, there are two ways to do this. If you want it quickly, use GPT-5 thinking to draft a front-end document and a core application document. If you want it deep and detailed, use GPT Deep Research to explore before you write your PRD. This step makes sure you're not just coding randomly, but coding around a real problem. Once the idea is clear, we move to UI design and front-end. Here's the question to ask. Do you want to generate UI designs in one go, front-end ready? If yes, use Stitch by Google. It instantly spits out UI components that you can use. If no, and you prefer custom designing, go with Visio.app by Versal. It lets you spend more time tweaking and customizing things. This way, you're not stuck in Figma for months. You're instantly getting real production-ready UI. Now comes backend. Most people get stuck here, but my playbook keeps it simple. First, decide. Do you want a managed hosting and deployment solution? If yes, use Replit AI. It's fast, it's hosted, and it's beginner-friendly. If you want to build things locally first, if you're an inexperienced coder, use Cursor AI. It's basically like pair programming with an AI. If you're an experienced coder, ask yourself, am I willing to pay per request or usage? If yes, Claude Code gives you deep coding help. If no, stick to OpenAI Codex as a free, cheaper alternative. This is how you avoid backend overwhelm and ship faster. So let's connect the dots. You find ideas using AI. You write product requirements with GPT. You design UI instantly with Stitch or V0. You deploy backend using Replit or Cursor. This turns coding into vibe coding. You're not reinventing the wheel, you're orchestrating AI tools and platforms to do the heavy lifting. And that's my vibe coding playbook. This exact system took me from hacking around aimlessly to scaling my projects to 20k plus users and over 30k in revenue. If you're building, stop overthinking and start vibe coding. Follow this playbook and you'll see how fast you can go from idea, ship product, real users. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know which part of the playbook you'll use first.